It's time for ThyssenKrupp number 2. It's finally in service. Oh god. Oh, the smell of brand new though.
Second floor.
Are you coming in? Are you coming in? No. Oh, amazing though. Yes, it's finally in service. Oh.
Third
Floor. Oh, fucking amazing though. At last it's finally in service. It runs exactly the same as well, and that's a great thing. She's on the second floor. Nice to see they actually have the fifth floor number right. Bong first.
First.
First. So how long did you do the first thing? 11 feet on the second floor. 11 is the exact same though. ThyssenKrupp number 299819005 now in service.